One of the great things about being a note investor is that we have multiple ways to get deals sent to us on a regular basis or to find deals without the expensive cost of direct mail. So if you're on a shoestring budget, this may be something that's valuable to you, or you may want to look into note investing where banks, lenders, and all sorts of other variety of sources send you deals on a regular basis. Now, what are the sources of where we find deals? The first source is we contact banks and different mortgage companies, mortgage brokers. Those are two sources all the time that have deals on a regular basis, usually once a month, if not once a quarter at the least, okay? Third thing is loan servicing companies. There are several servicing companies out there. There's hundreds of servicing companies and quite a few that have a trading platform that sell on behalf of their clients. There's also a few note trading platforms. This was a bigger source for us a few years ago. Note trading platforms owned by a few hedge funds that we can buy from on a regular basis. Other note sellers like you and me. We also check on the county records for assignment. So that's when a note is bought and sold, that's what we look at. And then of course, looking at your foreclosure lists for distressed notes and either contacting the banks that are foreclosing those directly or contacting the attorney. So 7 different ways that we find note deals. None of it's with direct mail. A lot of it is through LinkedIn. It's through email, picking up down for dollars in some cases. But the beautiful thing, you can do this from the comfort of your own home. And since we buy on notes all across the country, you don't have to do it where it's just in your one market. So if you live in an expensive market like Austin, Texas, where we don't see a lot of distressed debt, or really expensive states like California, you can buy stuff that's just all across the country. I got a tape in today that had stuff in 35 states that was over 350 notes deep that I'm evaluating right now. So no investing, a great place. Once again, banks, mortgage companies, mortgage bankers, servicing companies, note platforms, note sellers, county records, and foreclosure lists. So 7 different sources.